Terve! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a broken cut extension cord and kind of at the same time how to make a new one. Hello, I am the Finn Man, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken or cut extension cord. I had a little accident. A couple of years ago I had this extension cord outside because I had some Christmas lights, and then I came with my snow blower and stuff happened. So now I'm gonna fix it. I have bought these two ends for that, and I guess without further ado we are going to go into the business. Alright, so first things first, we are going to cut the ends. There. And then, I think I should probably make it sure that these work. I mean, it took quite a beating, so there is a chance the cords are a little bit ripped and torn here and there. Let's see. Okay, let's see. First, we're gonna take the ground end. It's this one. That works. And then we are gonna take the blue one. Works. And then we are gonna take the brown one. It works. And then the other one works, and I do not have access to the other thingies, but we'll get there soon enough. Okay, now that we are here, let's take a knife and peel. There we go. And then the other one. Hide the casing. There, they are open. Next, I want to make sure that the green, yellow, the ground is a little bit longer than the other ones. So I'm gonna cut the ends here, there, there. Just in case there is going to be a pull or something, so that first these two wires will come loose and this one still stays on. And open this one. Lots of screws. There are 4 screws, 2 on each side. So let's open these. Here we go. First, put this one in here. There. So that we don't forget it. Take the sole of the thing. Then first we are going to take the middle connector here and put there the ground. Screw it back in very tight. There we go. And then we are gonna take this other one here. There, and screw it back in. There, that's good. And then the last one. There. Now, if something happens, these two lines, they come off first and this stays on, so keeping it grounded all the time. There. Let's try to put this back in. This one goes here, puts that one in there, the ground, try to hide it a little, and then put this one back in here. Maybe I should have become an electrician. Almost made a mistake. There's this one. I have to also do this one first. Yeah. I was wondering because it didn't grow well. Okay. this one in. Put it over there. This one in here. This should be good. This should be okay. There. Now you can yank it as much as you want and it does not come loose. That's good. Then put the cover on. There you go. Nice. There you go. Now it's fixed. The other end is done. Or if you are building a completely new extension cord, the other end is done. There. There they are. I will test them after this. Okay, let's do the other. Here. Same thing again. Let's peel the ends. Okay, here we go. Then let's take one of these. Open it up. Here we go. One screw. We're gonna unscrew that. There we go. Very simple connection. Okay. And this is the one that makes sure that if you pull, it doesn't come off. Vedonpoisto. Whatever that's in English. There we go. And then I think I'm gonna take the casing off from these. A little bit. These two. It's been a while I have done this. So let me know in the comments if you see me doing some mistakes. Open this a little bit more. All I have to do is take one off. There you go. Then put the ground in the middle. And the smaller screwdriver. There are 3 holes as you see. The middle one is for the ground and the other ones it really doesn't matter which one goes to where. Because of the alternating currency, is it? There you go. Back on. And these two. There, here we are again in the yanking part. Let's bend the wires a little bit. Now we can put this cover on. There you go. It's a little bit tight because this is an outdoor outlet, so there it is. That end is there. So now we have another extension cord. A little bit shorter, but I mean, there's always use for this stuff. Now all we have to do is do a little testing. Okay, I'm gonna put this one up here. I have this bunch of Christmas lights, so let's put this one here. Connect. And we have a light. Yes, that works. Then let's try the other one. Let's see if this works. And it works too. Very good. Shouldn't be no difference with the other end. No. Everything works. This is success. There we go. Now they are both fixed. First I had one extension cord, then I ran over it with a snow plower, and now I have 2. It's very easy, not that complicated when you remerge a couple of things. leave the green, yellow, the ground a little bit longer, and remember that the casings go in first. And thank you for watching my little video about fixing a extension cord or making an extension cord. That came basically out of necessity because I needed to do this. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did like it. If you did, please leave a like and maybe subscribe. More to come. Bye.